some genocide on a Monday. Barry Epstein files in the red tape. I ain't gonna reach only God is upon me. Like, oh, rain on a Sunday. They call me Rebel Taylor Swift, cause I give a shit, sell them fit for clicks. If the world goes up in smoke, is this a